All right, Moet. So now that we're kind of towards the end of the course, I was wondering if you would just take a moment to share with those who maybe haven't never taken this course before and possibly considering it. Maybe you like to share what you've gotten out of it, some wins, and if it's something that you would recommend.
So first off, I would definitely recommend this course to everybody. I did not have any idea that breathing was the foundation to good health. It's something that I learned right off the bat working with Fred. Breathing is the foundation of good health, and that's something that will forever stick with me. Um, yeah, again, I just recommend anybody take this course. It is more than just learning about breathing. It's really a holistic approach, which is something that I really appreciate. We have a whole body, and our whole body needs to work synergistically together. And so this course again gives you lifestyle changes, gives you breathing tips, of course, and other life principles that you can apply to your overall life for not just your physical health, but also mental, spiritual health as well. So I would definitely recommend this course to anybody.
Excellent, excellent. And is there anything you like to specifically share that you got out of the course? Whether in what ways has it helped you with any particular symptoms or anything of that nature?
So just the concept of just being more mindful of breathing through your nose. That's something that I've gotten from it. Just being mindful of that, mindful of breathing through your nose, being mindful that if you are breathing through your mouth, you're losing CO2, which can cause a great deal of adverse effects. And so just again, being more mindful of that. My symptoms are starting to improve as far as like my control pause is going up. Obviously, it will continue to go up as I continue to work the exercises and apply the principles that I've been taught. Still have some digestion issues that I need to work through, but I see light at the end of that tunnel as far as, like I said, my control pause going up from when we first started to now being on our 7th session, and just applying the principles that I learned. And again, just continuing to just be more mindful of breathing through your nose.
Do you recall what your control course started and where it is now?
So I believe my control pause was around 20, maybe 2021, somewhere around that mark. And last week when I did my control pause, it was 42. So I am, making increases, making progress. Still have a while to go, a ways to go to get to where I want to be and what's optimal, but definitely seeing improvements.
Okay, excellent. Well, we appreciate you sharing your thoughts with folks that may be considering taking the course, and I appreciate also working with you, and look forward to working with you in the future in some capacity, or you continue to work with the Breathing Center.
Definitely.
I wish
Thank
you
you.
all the best,
Yes.
and keep breathing healthy.
Thank you.
Bye for now.
Have a good one.